everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling with the process on how to enable developer option in your Android device? Well, if you are, then in this video I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial. Before we get into our video, let's get a better understanding on what a developer option in Android is. So the developer option is a system that helps you to improve app performances. It usually helps the Android devices to design softwares and applications, and even the Google Play Store. So now, since we have a better understanding on what a developer is, let's get right into our video. The first thing that we need is to tap on the settings app. Once you're on the settings app, here you can see various options. From here you'll have to scroll down, and on the very end you can see your option about phone. Tap on about phone. Once you have tapped on about phone, below your informations you can see about 4 options that are status information, legal information, software information, and battery information. From here you'll have to tap on the third, that is software information. Once you have tapped on the software information, here on the 6th option you can see build number. From here you'll have to tap on the build number for about 7 times. And after that you'll be asked to enter your PIN. Once you're done typing your PIN, here as you can see on the screen, the developer mode has been enabled. So now from here you can go back and on the search bar search for developer option. And here there are 2 options, that is developer settings and developer options. Tap on the developer options, and once you have tapped on it, here you can get various features. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to enable developer option in Android. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.